check natin guys. This is a low heat only. Low camera na kasi. So, gamitin ko lang po yung hands with finger. Kaya muna ko siya gumawa. So, ito na siya. Kaya ni yum. Another one. Masyadong ako. Okay. Sakto na niya. Ayan, gabi. Hindi na ito ipapagod guys, kaya para lamig ka siya. Crunchy, very kumot. So, kani, okay na niya.
And that's something that my family in Brazil has not been before.
Ayan, this is eggplant guys. So this is the one I peel it, so the skin is here. I just boil this one guys, so I can remove the skin. And this is flour and eggs with spices, and the last one is the breadcrumbs. Okay. Wala pang butterfly.